1996 with the A.R. Hedberg Training and Education Award. We were then selected to be a pilot company for the NIMS Metalworking Certification Program, and at that point we began developing the credentialing process. There's a certain criteria that the employees must fall under, a certain amount of requirements that they have to have, which would deal with quality of their work, attendance, safety, having all the proper training before they're eligible for credentialing program. This training is an excellent investment. It helps us create a very safe working environment and helps us make our environment very productive.
Currently, only 4 employees have completed the Level 3 certification process in the United States. All 4 employees work at OSMI or Morgal and have successfully utilized credentialing on the job.
Yes, several benefits I've received from receiving Level 3 certification. I've had the opportunity to prove to my employer my abilities to my employer and to my peers, increase in wage compensation, transportable credentials that I can take with me to other places. And as a training technician, this training has allowed me the opportunity to gain the respect and the trust that I need as a trainer. As I train adults, that's vital and essential in this business.
With the retirement of the baby boomers, the development of skills will play a major role in this industry.
Well, there'll be a tremendous void to fill because of the absence of skilled employees in manufacturing.
Level 3 certification will impact the entire metal industry.
Well, credentialing will help our industry compete in the worldwide marketplace that we have to compete in. The more knowledge and skill that our employees have, the better equipped we're going to be competitive on in the worldwide markets that we serve. Credentialing will certainly give us better trained, better qualified people to meet the challenges that we have in serving our customers.
The development of specialized skills is not only important to the success of one company, but to the entire industry as well.
Hopefully the standards will reduce turnover rate, get a better trained employee, and because they're better trained, a happier employee, and the overall effect hopefully is going to be that people want to stay on the job, stay working for the companies, and reduce our turnover rate. Credentialing will definitely become the industry standard. The industry developed the credentialing and the standards, and for that reason, the industry is pushing for this to be widely used across the industry.
Skill development process must start at a young age and continue throughout one's life.
You know, it's really a little bit overwhelming to think about the fact that most of us are in the workforce for about 45 years. And the skills that you go into the workforce with when you're 18 after high school or when you're 22 or 23 after college may not be the same skills that are required in the workforce when you're 50 or 60. And so we have to keep an attitude, a positive attitude toward building new skills every day as we grow in our employment. And we have to think about growth as something that doesn't stop when you're physically grown, but your growth in your skills has to continue throughout your work life.
For promoting the importance of skill development and for designing products implementing programs that facilitate continuous learning, we salute the winners of the 1999 EBAward, Hearligy Company, and Ohio Stamping Metal Incorporated, and Morgal Machine Tool of Springfield, Ohio.
In today's fast-paced world, businesses constantly strive to distinguish themselves from the competition. Some businesses expand across international boundaries. Others develop breakthrough products. One company in Springfield has managed to do both. When a company establishes itself as the leader in its market, they deserve special recognition. Through determination and innovative thinking, it shows that it has what it takes to be a trendsetter in its field. The Entrepreneurial Business Innovation Award was started with the intent to recognize just such a business. As an award designed to recognize local innovative and entrepreneurial business accomplishments, it is often hard for companies and individuals to define what makes them a success.
it's business stuff, business world, business people making things, coming up with new ideas.
And I think entrepreneurial means starting something new, don't following the others, just doing something different.
Entrepreneurial is basically a business that tries to come up with a new or creative way to solve a problem or do a task.
I think innovation means doing something different than anybody else and setting yourself apart.
I think an innovative company is one that's determined to make or do something better than their competitors. The same type of companies that are more focused on the project's long-term success more than the short-term problems and obstacles that they'll face along the way.
Well, I believe that oftentimes it starts with a problem that needs to be solved. So the activity generally is a resolution of a major problem for either a corporation or an individual. I believe the activity often results in unintended consequences that lead to better and new activities beyond whatever the problem was.
I think of a business that is providing a service that's not found elsewhere. They've been able to find an opportunity to provide a service that's not available through government entities or other enterprises in the community.
Innovation is found in the workplace, anybody who's willing to change, I believe, and because I think the majority of us are willing to do things the same way as they've always been done, but somebody who has a vision and is willing to change things, I think those are the innovators of the world.
I think anymore to be differentiated in a marketplace is critical. You have to go beyond just producing a basic set of products that customers work with. You have to give them tools, you have to give them the competence to work more effectively with your products. So anymore just being a basic producer really is not what the business world's all about. It's giving smarter solutions, more competence, and an easier interface to the company that makes a significant difference in differentiating one company from another.
As a manufacturer of enclosures, Rittal's products are found in industries around the globe. From professional baseball stadiums to automobile manufacturing to roadside utilities, you see Rittal's presence in a wide variety of uses. With the ability of the customer to choose among millions of product features, combinations, styles, and accessories, Rittal needed to develop a more efficient ordering and purchasing system.
Rittal's corporate culture fosters a very team-oriented approach to solving some of the goals for the departments or for the company in a whole. The Request project was not only innovative, but it also showed that how all the different departments at Rittal can come together to solve or meet the expectations of this project.
When we developed Request, the real concept was to provide an easy way for customers to interface with our products. The Request program was designed to provide an easy way to take a project that a customer's working on and to provide a set of Rittal solutions and make it an easy and effective solution for the particular application they're working on.
Request allows a customer to choose products very simply and in a faster manner than it would be to shuffle through the handbook or to go through inside sales, since all the information is right there on the CD. For the company, this means that they can get the product quicker. Instead of waiting 24 hours for the fax to go through and to be put in, the company can put it over the internet and within an hour I will have it and it will be in the system.
Request CD has made it easier for customers and inside-outside people within Rittal to select and purchase product by taking the handbook that's over 800 pages and easily integrating all that information into a simple point-and-click interface. It allows them to select from over 9.8 billion product combinations within about 3 clicks of a mouse.
Request is also very strong because it gives instant access to information, and today, quick timelines, quick turnaround on projects is critical to be more effective and efficient and to be competitive in the products that people bring to market. So Request is really a very strong tool, both from an easy use standpoint, but also to provide a quicker and a smarter solution for the products that we work with.
reQuest has been designed not only to facilitate business operations here in the United States, but worldwide. reQuest, with its ability to be easily translated into German, French, Spanish, and various other languages, is having a resoundingly positive effect in Rittal's markets worldwide.
I think what it takes to be a global business is to be innovative, creative, provide product that the customers want, and also provide the information that customers and partners need. And part of that is the e-commerce and interactive media, such as the reQuest CD.
Businesses today really want to do business with other companies that are innovative. They want smarter solutions, leading-edge solutions, and just as Rittal produces products that are smarter and better, we also produce tools that are smarter and better. And that allows companies to work with us in more unique ways, and it creates a real bonding between Rittal and our customers.
With the development of reQuest and other innovative business techniques, the Rittal Corporation was awarded this year's Entrepreneurial Business Innovation Award. Imagine discovering your future in Urbana, Ohio. Robert and Sarah Rothschild began their entrepreneurial pursuits as a pick-your-own raspberry farm. Rothschild evolved into 5 divisions: the farm, distributor, gourmet food manufacturer, internet and direct marketer, and retail store. Rothschild is founded upon the core values of relationships, superior quality, integrity, and commitment. Pleasant workplace dynamics lead to superior quality products and service, while encouraging employees to grow as individuals and as a team.
Our main goal is not to make money, okay? Our main goal is to do things right as a company. And when you do things right, generally making money starts to happen, okay? And we found that.
The atmosphere here at the farm is progressive, proactive, always changing, always striving for new and better processes and products and ideas.
We believe in, in establishing our core values, and the things like integrity is, we kind of have a saying around here: when in doubt, bet on the truth. And we just believe in integrity through. There's no such thing as being having a little bit of integrity. Either you do or you don't. So that's a very strong core value for us.
Bob Rothschild has got to be the hardest working man that I know. He is a visionary. He has a lot of ideas, and getting everybody on board with him, that's his goal, I think, is I've got a plan, let's all go and work for it. And that makes it exciting here.
The employees we have here are, as I've just described, I think they're top of the line. They're people that really are somewhat independent. They like to do things. They like to make decisions. They like to be proud.
Oh, Bob is very involved in everything that goes on here at the plant. He's very excited and interesting, and we all provide support to each other.
We feel it's very important to treat our employees as we would want to be treated. I mean, I think that goes back biblically, as well as other people have said that beyond that. It's just treating people with respect, and when they do something well, you really want to let them benefit from that success.
The people that work here all throughout the organization really do a great job. They do, and it's different from where I've come from. They do the job because they really want to do the job. They see the opportunity there. They want to be part of a winning team, and they just go ahead and do it. They don't need to be told to do it. They don't need to be supervised. It's unique.
To measure the success of our business is to see how our employees behave. The behavior of our employees, to me, when they're excited, when they're on their own, when they're doing things I don't even know about or our management team doesn't know about, then I know we're successful.
Well, I've grown a lot since I've been here. I feel personally I've been here 7.5 years, and I think about coming in as just a person, I guess you look at it. And I think Bob has grown me also, and the job has grown me because he's taught me a lot, for one thing.
Relationship building is also critical. The relationships we build with our customers, with our employees, with the community, with our representatives. We have 100 representatives out covering the United States for us. Those relationships are very important, and we treat them like people.
Teamwork is a very integral part of our business because you start with our kitchen area that is actually producing the product that we sell. So we go from production, the sales team, contacting customers, making sure that they have information to our reps. They contact them on the phone as well.
When we develop a product, we never worry about price in the development stage. What we worry about is quality. So to us, that's innovative because a lot of your main food companies in the United States, all they care about is cost, keeping that cost down, and not necessarily there's concern about the quality. So quality to us helps us to be more innovative and allows us to put in the right ingredients in a product to make it good, hopefully healthy, as well as something that people want to buy over and over again because it's unusual.
We're striving to be the best in the gourmet food industry, so our relationship with our wholesale and retail customers is of utmost importance to us. We try to ship all of our orders within 24 hours, and if we can't, we're going to call the customer and let them know why we can't and when we will be able to ship. And over the years, that's been one of our strongest suits within the industry, is that customers can count on us to get their orders to them, and it does matter to everybody here that we're taking care of our customers.
In developing new products is a very important part of the success of our company. And in doing that, our process is very casual. We do not like to have planned meetings where we're there just to sit down and develop new products. We have found that in being creative, you sometimes have to be doing abstract things to be creative. And when you go to a planned meeting, I think your brain tends to block, and so that we're not as creative. So we really cherish the idea of being spontaneous. And when somebody comes up with an idea, we try to react to that idea, or maybe that idea will click us onto another idea. So that's how we've been successful in creating new products.
The group dynamics and teamwork that are an essential part of Rothschild Berry Farm continue to foster its overall success and growth. These factors, in addition to the company's investment in human capital, allow Rothschild to maintain its differential advantage among its competitors. Rothschild's innovative product development and modern management methods make Rothschild Berry Farm a leader within the specialty food market.
Okay, an entrepreneur is someone that clearly has a vision that doesn't let other people interrupt that vision. Because many times an entrepreneur will be told by people surrounding them that you're crazy, you're nuts, why are you doing this, it doesn't make sense. I think you have to have enough self-confidence that you don't let people block you from going forward. I think that's what an entrepreneur is.
Measuring its success by making sure its employees are successful